Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through factory resetting your Dreame L60 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the L60, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we'll start with the top cover. Just pop it right off. With that cover removed, you're going to get access to this reset and Wi-Fi button right there. Make sure your unit's powered on, so you should have a solid blue light up here at the top, and we have the two white lights illuminated. To conduct the factory reset, you're going to take a tiny little pin, so like a SIM removal tool, and you're going to press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds or so. So we're pressing it. All right, it just shut off there. And we got that voice prompt. So once you see it shut off and you hear that voice prompt, just let go. And now it's going to work on conducting the factory reset for us. And we'll just wait for it to basically go through that reset and then boot back up. And there we go. We got the startup chime right there. The lights are back on. Everything's initializing again. Eventually those lights will go solid and you'll be ready to set this up just like you're booting it up for the very first time and reconnect it to the app and all of that good stuff. But simple and straightforward to factory reset your Dreame L60 Pro Ultra.